Hi there, welcome back. Dori Sukup here with this month's Dori Recommends in this issue of Inspiration Moments. And this month I'm going to be talking with you about gaining financial health. The reason I wanted to focus on that this month because this is the time of the year when in my old life, when I had a job in corporate America, this was the time of the year where we were running around creating our budgets, getting ready for next year, getting all of our numbers in a row. And that does not usually happen in the Medi spa or spa industry. I have to beg people to sit down and discuss numbers with them. So here are the facts. When I start working with someone, the one thing I find often is that they don't really pay a lot of attention to the numbers. Sometimes they're more interested in what cream they should buy or what treatment they should offer or what laser they want to spend money on rather than looking at the numbers. I don't know why people are allergic to numbers. I need to come up with a vaccine for that. So this month, I'm doing a webinar that's going to help you understand what numbers you need to look at. I'm actually going to be sharing with you a sample budget to show you how to budget. We're going to go over how to read a P&L statements that many people don't know how to actually do. We're going to discuss the financial ratios and how to calculate that and how to make sure that you are making all the profits that you deserve to be making. So you definitely need to join me. You cannot afford not to be on this webinar. So if you're serious about growth and finding those acres of diamonds that I talked about in the featured article, then definitely you need to join me. The thing is about financials, that to me is one of the most important report cards you can have. For example, me personally with my company, by the 5th or the 7th of each month, I have my entire financial reports all ready right here for me that my bookkeeper actually does and puts them on my desk, so I'm ready to see how we did against the previous year. It has the P&L statement, it has year-to-year P&L statement, month-to-month P&L statement, it has the cash statements, all your chart of accounts with all the things that actually went through. So these are things that you definitely need to be monitoring. And those are the things I'm going to be discussing with you. Because if you're not monitoring your money, then you don't know how good you are doing or whether you're really being as profitable as possible or not. So the webinar is going to be November 12th at 2 p.m. Eastern. So make sure you mark your calendar and join me for that. I look forward to seeing you so I can help you improve your financial health. I'll see you then. Until next time, stay inspired and stay tuned to this month's special. Bye now.